What exactly happens when you hit your golden years and suddenly, seemingly out of nowhere, you start noticing shrinking arms, weak legs, and this terrifying loss of independence creeping in? It totally sneaks up on you, right? One day you're moving around just fine, and the next, carrying the groceries feels like you're climbing Mount Everest. It's scary. But hold up. What if I told you there's this totally under-the-radar way to rebuild muscle, and you don't even have to sweat it out at the gym to do it? In today's Explainer, we're going on a little journey to uncover a hidden secret that can literally rewrite how your body ages. Seriously, what if one totally natural nutrient could legitimately rebuild your muscle while you're just kicking back on the couch watching the game? Today, I'm going to reveal a surprisingly affordable, hospital-grade secret weapon that fights off age-related frailty like nobody's business. Plus, I'll break down the exact everyday foods you gotta stack it with to double your results. I'm keeping the actual name of this nutrient under wraps for just a second because I want to show you the science first, so stick with me to the very end. You absolutely do not want to miss this payoff. All right, we gotta start by calling out the hidden muscle thief, and that's sarcopenia. Man, this devastating condition goes completely unnoticed for way too long. It hits nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60 and a crazy 50% of folks over 80. It's this silent drain on your strength until, bam, it causes severe frailty and just wrecks your mobility. A lot of guys just write it off, thinking getting weaker is just, part of the deal with getting older. But I'm telling you right now, that does not have to be your story. See, this silent drain builds into what scientists call the perfect storm, otherwise known as anabolic resistance. Here's the deal, guys. Even if you're doing everything right, eating plenty of protein, knocking back steaks and eggs, your aging engine is suffering from this resistance. Once you cross 50 or 60, your body just gets stubborn. The muscle cells literally put up a wall, making it incredibly tough to actually convert the food you're eating into real functional strength. But hey, here is our beacon of hope. Enter our mystery ingredient, HMB, also known as beta-hydroxybutyrate. Now, before you think this is some crazy synthetic lab creation, it's not. HMB is a completely natural compound derived from the amino acid leucine, and it works by protecting and rebuilding your muscle tissue right down at the cellular level. Get this, your body already makes it naturally. But the catch? As you get older, your ability to produce and actually use HMB basically falls straight off of a cliff.
Think of your body kind of like a classic car engine. A younger metabolism easily processes amino acids. It converts leucine into HMB like a highly tuned sports car running on premium gas. But an aging metabolism, it suffers from the sluggish conversion, and that leads to a rapid, downright scary muscle drain. Your older system desperately needs a specific spark plug to punch through this metabolic bottleneck and stop the muscle loss dead in its tracks. So how does this stuff actually work? Well, the science here is a total game changer. H&B basically works as a metabolic alternative to heavy joint-busting gym sessions, and it does it in 2 ways. First, it's anti-catabolic, which is a fancy way of saying it slams the brakes on muscle breakdown. Second, it activates something called the mTOR pathway. Again, science jargon, but it basically means it stimulates new protein synthesis. It literally tells your body to construct brand new muscle tissue while patching up the damaged cells. Let's talk real results, because the clinical proof on this is absolutely mind-blowing. Check out this number, 17.8%. There was this clinical trial that took nursing home residents, folks who are definitely not hitting the squat rack, right? And they gave them HMB for 12 weeks. Their leg strength skyrocketed by 17.8%, and their grip strength shot up by 13.7%, all completely without any intense exercise, just pure, targeted biochemical support doing the heavy lifting. And it gets crazier. A landmark study in the Journal of Gerontology showed this really terrifying reality. Without any intervention, seniors can lose a staggering 5 to 10% of their muscle mass in just 1 single week of being laid up in bed. Just 1 week. It's devastating. But when they used HMB supplementation, it acted like an impenetrable metabolic shield. It locked in that precious tissue, keeping them strong even when they were totally inactive. Okay, so how do we actually use this stuff in the real world? Here is your daily game plan. To get these awesome benefits, clinical studies recommend a daily kicker of 1.5 to 3 grams of HMB. You're going to want to divide that up into 2 or 3 servings throughout the day, just to keep your blood levels nice and steady. But hey, be smart. Always check with your doc first before starting any new supplement, especially if you take meds or have kidney stuff going on. All right, buckle up, because here is the big payoff I promised y'all. It's time to talk about the 7 super synergy foods. Look, HMB is amazing, but it isn't a magic pill that works all by itself.
It really needs the right backup. So we're talking about everyday foods packed with leucine precursors that work hand in hand with HMB to absolutely skyrocket your muscle rescue plan. Let's break down this ultimate nutritional defense. First up on our heavy hitter roster is cottage cheese, affectionately known as the nighttime shield. Eating just a half cup of this stuff about 30 minutes before bed provides this awesome slow digesting casein protein release. What that does is create a steady overnight stream of leucine that literally shields your muscles from breaking down while you're asleep. It's a super smart, simple little habit to make sure you wake up holding on to your hard-earned muscle. Second, we've got full-fat Greek yogurt. The big takeaway here is that this stuff delivers nearly triple the protein of regular yogurt because of how they strain it. It gives you a continuous leucine delivery that helps totally crush that stubborn anabolic resistance we were talking about earlier. Go for the full-fat version too, because that helps you absorb vitamin D, and those probiotics, they support your gut so your aging body can actually absorb all these vital nutrients. Number 3 on the list, whole eggs. Man, this is nature's perfect, highly bioavailable protein package. As we get older, our digestion naturally takes a hit, so bioavailability is a huge deal. And look, forget those outdated cholesterol myths. The science clearly shows eating the whole egg is wildly beneficial. The yolk delivers crucial vitamin D, B vitamins, and essential fatty acids that support each MB's effectiveness. They're cheap, they're versatile, and they pack a massive punch. Moving to number 4, we've got salmon, otherwise known as the inflammation fighter. Salmon brings this massive dual-action punch to the table. It's got the leucine to build the muscle, sure, but it's also loaded with rich omega-3 fatty acids that extinguish chronic low-grade inflammation. Remember, inflammatory markers naturally spike as we age, and they directly speed up sarcopenia. So knocking down that inflammation while giving your body the building blocks for muscle, that is a massive win for your longevity. Fifth is lean beef. Beef is just loaded with heavy hitters like carnitine, creatine, zinc, and really importantly, iron. That iron is a huge deal for guys over 60 because an iron deficiency directly impairs your muscle function by reducing the oxygen delivery to your tissues. Just a 3 to 4 ounce serving of a lean cut, like a sirloin, gives you a highly concentrated dose of leucine, pumping oxygen into those aging tissues to keep your functional strength up. Coming in at number 6 is whey protein. Think of this as your ultimate quick strike weapon. What's incredible about whey is just how fast it works. Drinking a high-quality whey protein actually spikes your body's HMB production within just 30 minutes. That super rapid absorption makes it the absolute perfect thing to drink right after doing some light household chores, walking around the block, or even just doing some yard work. It hits your muscles exactly when they are primed and ready to soak up that cellular protection. Finally, number 7 is quinoa, the plant-based powerhouse. Now, it's super rare for a plant to be a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, but this ancient pseudograin completely pulls it off. Not only does it deliver a huge dose of leucine, but it also brings magnesium and potassium to the party. Those minerals naturally deplete as we age, and they are absolutely vital to stop muscle cramping. Plus, it's gluten-free and packed with fiber, which is always a bonus. Okay, let's tie all of this together with what I call the independence equation. By combining these natural synergy foods, keeping your HMB levels up through targeted supplementation, and adding in just a little bit of light, gentle movement, you create this impenetrable defense against frailty. You don't need some crazy, super expensive gym membership. You really just need to align your biology with the right foundational nutrients. It's that simple. And that brings us to this incredibly powerful truth. Your strength is your independence. Your muscle health is your lifeline to an active, engaged future. Look, remember, folks, rebuilding muscle in your 60s, 70s, or 80s isn't about looking like a giant bodybuilder stepping onto a stage. Not at all. It's about having the functional strength to confidently navigate your home, travel the world, and just scoop up your grandkids without a second thought. That's what really matters. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I want to leave you with this provocative question to really chew on. What will you do today to reclaim your independence and build a stronger tomorrow? Because honestly, it's never too late to start. Pick just one of these 7 foods to add to your routine right now. Maybe just grab a scoop of cottage cheese before bed tonight. Hit that like button, subscribe to stay informed, and hey, let's cultivate a healthier, much stronger future together. Catch you guys on the next one.